How to Start Investing, a beginner's guide to growing your money. Wondering if investing is worth the effort? The answer is a resounding yes. By starting early, even with small amounts, you unlock the magic of compound growth. Imagine your money working for you, multiplying year after year. It's how wealth is built over time. The best part? Investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone willing to take that first step. The sooner you start, the more time you give your money to grow. Let's dive into how you can begin building a brighter financial future today. Starting anything new can feel intimidating, and investing is no exception. Are you worried about making mistakes? Here's the truth. Every experienced investor was once a beginner too. The key is to learn as you go and start small. You don't need a fortune to begin. With as little as $100, or sometimes even less, you can start changing your financial trajectory. Every great investor's journey begins with that first small step forward. Before you jump in, ask yourself, why am I investing? Is it to save for retirement, a dream vacation, your child's education, or financial independence? Having clear goals gives your investment journey direction and purpose. Different goals may require different strategies. For example, saving for a home in 5 years looks different than building long-term retirement wealth. Identifying your why sets the foundation for smart investment choices. Let's talk about the types of investments you'll encounter. At a high level, there are stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Stocks represent ownership in companies, while bonds are like lending money to an organization in exchange for interest. Mutual funds and ETFs, on the other hand, bundle multiple stocks or bonds together, offering diversification. Diversification simply means spreading your investment across various options to reduce risks. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. For most beginners, index funds or ETFs are a great choice. Why? They're low cost, easy to manage, and provide exposure to a wide range of stocks or bonds. It's like investing in an entire market rather than individual companies, helping to reduce risks while simplifying your approach. For example, an S&P 500 index fund invests in the 500 largest U.S. companies. This automatically gives you a slice of well-known businesses like Apple and Amazon without needing to pick individual winners. Set a budget. Decide how much you can comfortably invest. Start small. $50 or $100 monthly adds up over time. Open an account. Choose a brokerage or robo-advisor platform. These are easier than ever to access online. Pick your investments. Index funds or ETFs are ideal for first-time investors. Commit to consistency. Regular investments, even in small amounts, are more important than timing the market. By following these steps, you'll establish your foundation and build confidence over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. When starting out, avoid getting caught up in trends or hype. Chasing hot tips or trendy stocks often results in losses. Instead, focus on long-term goals and strategies. Also, don't panic when markets fluctuate. Ups and downs are normal. It's all part of the process. Staying focused on your goals helps you ride through the bumps without making emotional decisions. Picture this. Years from now, future, you looks back and thanks you for starting today. Maybe it's an extra cushion for retirement, funds for your dream home, or even the confidence of handling money wisely. The possibilities are endless. Each dollar you invest today is a step toward financial freedom. Embrace the journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about progress and patience. Ready to grow your money and secure your financial future? Take that first step today. Open an investment account, set clear goals, and commit to starting small. Your future is waiting, and it begins with today's choice. Hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this video with someone who needs a little push to start their investing journey. Let's build wealth together.